Monopoly, Game of Thrones, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Instead of cash, you have gold dragon coins and silver stag coins. The silver coins are worth 1 money each, and the gold are worth 5. During setup, give each player 5 gold and 5 silver coins. The banker's name is changed to the Master of Coin, and the banker's money is called the Royal Treasury's money. Place the Iron Throne on top of the musical stand here. Then, put the shuffled chance cards in the throne. The player to have last watched an episode of the Game of Thrones goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. The colored properties are called locations, railroads are called faiths, and utilities are called orders. When bidding on auctions, the minimum price is 1 money. Houses and hotels are called holdfasts and castles. The auction price for the last holdfast or castle starts at 1 money and can increase in increments as little as 1. When you land on or pass go, collect 2 silver coins. The price for getting out of jail is 5 money. This button plays the theme song, but the music is not incorporated into any of the gameplay rules. The last player remaining after everyone else is bankrupt is the winner.